If you want to unsubscribe on Whop, this video will walk you through the exact steps in a quick and simple way. Whether you joined the community, purchased the membership, or signed up for a subscription you no longer need, cancelling it on Whop only takes a minute once you know where to look. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to whop.com. Once the website loads, sign into your Whop account using the email and login details linked to your subscription. After you're logged in, make sure you're on your main home feed. This is important because the account options and order settings are easiest to access from the main dashboard area. Now look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile avatar or profile icon. This will open your account menu. In the drop-down menu that appears, you should see several account-related options. From here, click on Orders. This is where Whop keeps your active purchases, subscriptions, and memberships. Once you're on the Orders page, look for the active subscription you want to cancel. If you have more than one membership, take a moment to select the correct one so you don't cancel the wrong subscription by mistake. Click on the subscription to open its details. Inside the subscription details, you'll see the cancellation option. Click Cancel Membership. Whop may ask you to confirm your choice, so go ahead and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the cancellation. Once you confirm it, your subscription will no longer auto-renew. One really important thing to remember is that cancelling does not remove your access immediately in most cases. You'll usually still keep access to the community, product, or membership until the end of your current billing cycle. That means if your subscription is set to expire later in the month, you can continue using it until that date. And that's it. You've successfully unsubscribed on Whop. Just remember, if you ever want to join again later, you can always resubscribe through the same account. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.